Driving in snow this winter and don't want to overpay for snow chains? Right now on Amazon, some of the best-selling snow chains are on huge flash deals, up to 75% off. But not every chain actually works on icy roads. In this video, I rank 6 Amazon bestseller snow chains to see which one really wins. Our sixth product is the COCO Bird Snow Chains KN130, a durable and wear-resistant snow chain made from high-carbon steel for strong traction on snow and ice. Designed for passenger cars, pickups, and SUVs, it delivers reliable grip and stability in harsh winter conditions. Its heavy-duty build makes it a solid option for drivers who want long-term winter safety. Right now, it's on a 39% flash deal, dropping from $89.99 to just $54.98. The link is in the description below. Our fifth product is the HILLCLYM Auto Fixing Snow Chains HPK 15053, a quick fit and reusable snow chain designed for passenger cars, sedans, and SUVs. It features an auto-fixing system that makes installation fast and stress-free, even in emergency winter conditions. Compact, portable, and easy to store, it's a solid choice for everyday winter driving safety. Right now, it's on a 43% flash deal, dropping from $139.99 to just $79.99. The link is in the description below. Our fourth product is the SCC SZ143 Super Z6 cable tire chains, one of the most trusted snow chain options for passenger cars, SUVs, and light trucks. Its low-profile cable design makes installation easier while still delivering reliable traction on snow and ice. This model is especially popular in areas where traditional heavy chains aren't allowed. Right now, it's on a 46% flash deal, dropping from $149 to just $80.55. The link is in the description below. Our third product is the AUVEBY Auto Fixing Snow Chains HYR-C, a heavy-duty traction solution built for pickup trucks and off-road SUVs with larger tires. It features a fast auto-fixing system that installs in about 1 minute and delivers excellent grip on snow and ice. Designed for tire sizes from 275 to 315, it's ideal for drivers who need maximum durability in harsh winter conditions. Right now, it's on a solid 53% flash deal, dropping from $359.99 to $169.99. So the link is in the description below. Our second product is the Artizles Auto Tightening Snow Chains HKN170, a quick-fit emergency traction solution designed for cars, SUVs, and pickup trucks. It features an auto-tightening system that installs in about 1 minute, making it perfect for sudden winter conditions. Built for strong grip on snow and ice, it's reusable and easy to store in your trunk. Right now, it's on a huge 65% flash deal, dropping from $309.99 to just $107.99. The link is in the description below. Our first product is the SCC 02320805 Auto-Trac light truck and SUV tire traction chain, one of the most trusted and best-selling snow chains on Amazon for winter driving. It features an automatic self-tightening system that installs in minutes and delivers strong traction on snow and ice. Designed for light trucks, SUVs, and pickups, it's ideal for drivers who want safety without complicated installation. Right now, it's on a massive 75% flash deal, dropping from $369, and the link is in the description below.
That's it for today's Amazon deals. All product links are right below. If you want more crazy discounts like these, make sure to subscribe. New deal videos every day. Don't miss the next one.